Alright, thanks for watching. I'm going to show you guys how to make the easiest balloon knife. Okay? Sword, knife, whatever you want to call it. Put the balloon on there. I'm going to pump it up. Alright, let a little bit of air out so you got room to twist. You're going to take this and you're going to make an S. Leave a little bit of room. This is going to be the handle, the first part. The second parts are going to be a little bit shorter than the rest. Just a hair. You see what I'm talking about? Right there, leave like a little inch or half inch. So you got your S right there. You're going to take it. I'll try to show you guys what's happening. That's what you should have, is that S. And right in the center, we are going to twist. That's it. Real easy, simple to make. All right, thanks for watching.